Today I'm going to show you some swing through combos that you can do using some of the zero kicks that we've already learned. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at sport. Today we'll be getting into the last set of combos that you'll be learning for level 1.4, as well as going over to Swingthru Transition for the first time. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your reversal combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. A Swingthru Transition is anytime you land a trick with one leg and take off with the same leg into another trick. And remember, a transition isn't a trick itself, it's more of the movement that happens in between two tricks. So the first combo that we're going to get in today is a swing zero round to a swing zero round. You're going to do your swing zero round and land in a front side stance, but make sure that you're keeping your kicking leg off the ground. And from there, you're set up to do your second swing zero round. The second combo is going to be swing zero round to swing zero hook. So you're going to do your swing zero round and follow through to a backside stance. And again, make sure you keep that kicking leg off the ground. And from there, you're set up to do your swing zero hook. Third combo is going to be a cheat zero hook to a cheat zero hook. So you're going to do your cheat zero hook and land in a backside stance, keeping your kicking leg off the ground. Then from there, throw your second cheat zero hook. And the last combo is going to be a cheat zero hook to a cheat zero round. So you're going to do a cheat zero hook and follow through to a front side stance. Keep your kicking leg off the ground, and then from there you're set up to do your cheat zero round. Now if you're having any trouble with these combos, I recommend you just work on them slowly until it gets a little bit easier, and then you can add a little bit more speed and power. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support Upraiz Tricking just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be moving on to level 1.5, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.